Looking for computer speakers that deliver clear, immersive sound while adding a splash of style to your desk? The MELOGAGA RGB computer speakers combine crisp stereo audio with vibrant 7-color RGB lighting, making them a standout choice for anyone wanting both performance and flair in their setup. These speakers pack dual 3-watt high-fidelity drivers that produce balanced sound with deep bass and no distortion. Whether you're gaming, streaming music, or watching movies, you'll notice the difference in audio clarity and richness. It's a noticeable upgrade from standard built-in laptop speakers. One common concern with small speakers is volume. Melagaga addresses this with a simple tip. Set your computer's volume and media player to 100%, then fine-tune the sound using the inline volume knob. This ensures you get the loudness you want without sacrificing sound quality or risking distortion. The RGB lighting isn't just for show. Cycling through 7 mesmerizing colors, the backlighting adds an energetic vibe to your gaming or work area. It's a subtle yet effective way to personalize your space without overwhelming your setup with bulky gear. Compact and sleek, these speakers fit neatly on any desk without crowding your workspace. Their slim profile makes them perfect for small rooms or minimalist setups, proving that great sound doesn't have to come with a big footprint. Connecting the MELOGAGA speakers is hassle-free. They use USB for power and a 3.5mm aux input for audio, so you can plug them into your PC, laptop, tablet, or monitor with no software or drivers needed. Just plug and play, simple and reliable. The inline rotary volume control is another thoughtful feature. It lets you quickly adjust sound levels without fumbling through software menus or searching for your device's volume buttons. This keeps your desk neat and your listening experience smooth. If you're looking to upgrade your audio without complicating your setup, the MELOGAGA RGB computer speakers are worth a look. They deliver what matters most: clear sound, stylish lighting, and easy operation. Try them when you're ready to bring your desktop audio to the next level.